Millionaire Whistleblower Review. Hello, I am Hamad, and I welcome you to my Millionaire Whistleblower Review. In this review, I am gonna show you everything you need to know about Millionaire Whistleblower. What is it all about? Its sales page, pros and cons, price and upsells. I'm also going to take you inside the members area and show you a demo of how exactly the app works. But first, let's start with good news. This good news may surprise you. If you buy this product via my link given in the description below, then as a gratitude, I'll give you 10 amazing bonuses that you will find nowhere on the internet. 10 bonuses 100% free. Just have a look at what I have for you. First bonus is AI Vault, where you'll find an ultimate list of 100 plus AI apps under 9 categories. Second bonus is 21 powerful ways to build email list. It's a real gem as all marketers know the value of email list. Next is 24/7 commission grabber. Earn commission without selling anything via CPA. Then, Instagram marketing secrets. You can read details about all of these bonuses in the blog post, the link I give in the description below. Remember, you'll get this super bonus package all free when you get Human AI Force via my link. Millionaire Whistleblower is your golden ticket to online profits, finally cutting through all the fake guru nonsense. This game-changing program was created by Michael Cheney, who made $10 million and who's been dominating internet marketing for 25 years. And here's the exciting part. To celebrate his quarter century of success, he's breaking the code of silence, revealing all his proven strategies, battle-tested hacks, and real-world tactics that actually generate profits. No fluff, no lies, just the exact blueprint that built his fortune, now handed to you on a silver platter. Here's what it includes. The Guru's Playbook, the guide covering the 7 secret cash-creating strategies to make it big online. Done for you $249,000 business, an entire funnel with 100% commissions with all the ready-made promo tools. The audios and videos, so you can start earning as soon as possible. They show you strategies that newbies can use to accelerate to sales online. And finally, the transcripts are there. This is plug-and-play income, if you're ready to take action. Now let's take a quick look at the sales page. It says, they tried to keep me quiet, but after making $10 million with their secret playbook, I'm breaking the guru's code of silence and giving it all away so the little guy can finally win. Read on to discover the life-changing secrets of an undercover millionaire who's spent 25 years in internet marketing, made over $10 million, and is now handing you the keys to one of his proven businesses that has already raked in a bank bulging $249,000. Then there are some testimonials of 7-figure marketers who get mentored by Michael Cheney. And then Michael's story of how he got success online. The whole point of this sales page is that Michael Cheney has completed his 25 years in internet marketing, and now he has decided to reveal all the secrets that gurus kept to themselves. You can read through the rest of the sales page in your own time. You'll see examples, income proof, testimonials and other details there. Now, time to watch the demo video.
$1,000, we'll talk about that as well. They get the audio program, they get fast cash videos, the ebook and the videos are completely different. They cover the same materials, but it's different content. It's not just a video version or an ebook version. There are transcripts as well, and they get all of that, plus that done for your business for $27. So let's dive through into the members area. So the first thing we've got here is the getting started section for the done for you business. Now, the business that they get handed over to them is a ready-made business that I've already done nearly $250,000 with, and they get to keep all their money from that. So they get set up automatically and quickly as an approved affiliate for that existing business. It's already done $250,000 in sales, and they get to keep all their money from all of the sales that they make, and they also get ready-made, done-for-you materials and promos and assets to go along with that. Okay, so that's the done-for-you business. Now let's talk about the Guru's Playbook. So we go in here, there's a video explaining this, and they go ahead and they can download this. This is the kind of flagship item of Millionaire Whistleblower, and it's a soup to nuts A to Z guide pretty much of everything that I know and everything I use in my business, including how to get started online, how to grow an audience, how to start getting a list. Everything is covered here step by step. And I go through not just telling stories about how it happened for me, but actually diving into the detail of how they have to learn stuff, and they have to build their list, how they do that. And we get into specifics as it goes through this book, okay? Step-by-step guides on exactly what to do, how to do these things, how to get the list, how to make your first affiliate sales, how to make $1,000 a month as an affiliate, and then going on and how to, moving on to how to create your own product, how to create sales letters. I even cover at the end how to do your own back-end stuff and high-ticket stuff. Okay, so it's an amazing product. People are going to love it. Okay, so that's the Guru's Playbook. Then they get these videos, the fast cash videos. So you can see here, each of these videos covers one of the chapters in the book, but it does it in great detail. So you can see here, this is a 7-minute video for this particular one. We've got a 10-minute video here, 15-minute video. Here's how to fast track to your first 10,000 followers. This is a 18-minute video. We've got one here on how to start printing money with your laptop. 7 secrets that will make you rich. This video is about half an hour long, covering all the basics and advanced strategies as well of internet marketing. And they get to watch all of these videos. They get a transcript for each one as well, and an audio version, and they can even download it if they want. Okay, so that's what they get for their $27. They get my entire framework for how to make money online, which is in this Guru's Playbook. Nearly 100 pages of valuable multi-million-dollar content here. They get the playbook, they get the fast cash videos to go along with it, and they get a done-for-you business that's already done $250,000. Okay, so that's what they get for their $27. Now, if they get the order bump, which is called the Millionaire AI Army, and they get that for $47, again, that's going to put $47 in your account because I'm paying you 100% commissions on all of this. They get all of these AI tools that I use in my business. An AI tool that creates images, one that creates bonuses for you. You just put a sales letter in it, it goes and creates a bonus for the order bump, which is just $47. Not an ongoing monthly cost, no credits required, like that, anything like that. A $47 one-time cost, and you can create unlimited images forever, unlimited bonuses forever, unlimited product reviews forever, unlimited social media posts forever, and unlimited blog posts forever using the same AI tools that I use. And these are all AI tools that have got my brain put into them. I trained them. I coded these tools myself personally, did not outsource any of that. Okay, it's all done by me and includes my knowledge base in each of those. So that's what they get for their $47 if they get the bump. Then we move on to the fast track. Okay, the fast track, the Millionaire Fast Track. This is the one-time offer. It's the only one-time offer. If they do not take it on the one-time offer page, it is gone. There's no downsell. They can't get it anywhere else. There's no other upgrades after that. They're straight into the members area. So it's going to convert like gangbusters. And what this gives them is a traffic automator system on how to scale up traffic. It gives them 10 high-ticket commission licenses. So when they promote their done-for-you business, which they already get with the front end, they're going to be getting sales of that anyway. When those sales convert to my high-ticket, one of my high-ticket programs, I'm going to give them $1,000 every time that happens, up to 10 times. Okay, so they get that as well. So they get the traffic automator system, they get the high-ticket commission licenses, and they also get lifetime reseller on the entire Millionaire Whistleblower funnel. Okay, so that's everything they get with the Millionaire Fast Track for their $197, and that's covered here inside the members area with all this high-ticket commissions. I also give them recurring commissions on a recurring.
Now you must be thinking about its price and upsells, also known as one-time offers. The front-end offer, which includes the Guru's Playbook, audio and video training, the transcripts, and done-for-you $249,000 business. The price is only $27, so everybody can afford it easily. There are only 2 upsells or one-time offers. Upsell 1 is Millionaire AI Army. It's patented as my personal AI. It includes Image Creator AI, Bonus Creator AI, Product Review Creator AI, Social Post Creator AI, and Blog Post Creator AI. With this upsell, you don't have to do tasks manually anymore. I recommend it as this is a game changer. The second upsell is the Millionaire Fast Track. It resolves the major hurdle where the majority of the internet marketers get stuck and eventually quit. The Traffic Automator is the ultimate secret source of high-quality, free traffic that scales. It also offers high-ticket commissions, license, and a lifetime reseller. So that's all about my review. When opportunity knocks at the door, you must be there, ready to open the door. It's once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to realize your dream of financial freedom. Remember, the price slashes down only during the launch week. After that, the price resumes to original. That's a massive discount, and your chance to get it at the lowest price possible. So, don't wait. The clock is ticking. And oh, one important thing. Don't forget to grab your super bonuses when you buy it through the link below in the description. Thank you for your time.